This is an insanely quick cable splice. Also, the aircraft cables are available in smaller diameters than wire rope. For instance, aircraft cables are available in 3 over 64 inches diameter, while most wire ropes begin at a 1 over 4 inch diameter. Static wire ropes are used to support structure at a predetermined speed and path. This is the transformation of wire to finished wire rope. Founded as a rope making factory in 1836 in the Swiss town of Gromenkirchen. Fetzer has been producing top quality ropes for generations. In the early stages, hemp ropes were manufactured for agriculture, fishing and shipping, with steel wire rope production being added around 1900. Nowadays, Fetzer specializes in the development, manufacture and global distribution of high-quality steel wire ropes for ropeways, winches, structural applications and other applications. These are one-column swagging machines. Wire rope is several strands of metal wire twisted into a helix forming a composite rope in a pattern known as laid rope. The larger diameter wire rope consists of multiple strands of such laid rope in a pattern known as cable laid. The term wire rope refers to a diameter larger than 3/8 inch with smaller gauges, designated cable or cords. The German engineering firm of Adolph was founded in 1874 and began to build bi-cable aerial tramways for mining in the Ruhr Valley. With important patents and dozens of working systems in Europe dominated the global industry. Kinetic Industry Romania. These are the steel wire rope lifting systems for cargo baskets and cutting skips. These lifting systems are made according to the customization required by the clients. This company specializes in the development and production of ultra-high strength wire rope, low repulsion wire rope, and super fiber sling. Initially, wrought iron wires were used, but today steel is the main material used for wire ropes. Historically, wire rope evolved from wrought iron. Individual wires and strands causes wear over the life of the rope. It also helps to compensate for minor failures in the short run. The wire ropes were developed starting with mining hoist applications in 1830s. Wire ropes are used dynamically for lifting and hoisting in the cranes and elevators, and for transmission of mechanical power. The wire rope is also used to transmit force in mechanisms such as Borden cable or the control surfaces of an airplane connected to levers and pedals in the cockpit. Only aircraft cables have wire strand core.